Janice, I have noticed that there is a lot of sexual and disrespectful in your chat. I don't tolerate none of that, so I don't know if I should be a moderator for
Tanaw
you.
rin, ano?
No, 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 no! Las Joseph ko, Joseph! Naog ba? Magbabay, tapos ka lang doon. Ayun, may dugo na sa idol, oh. I meant to say, Lorraine, I use voice typing and it's message.
Say nga open ang pay because
It's the message me about. Oh, it's okay. You should be my moderator. Oh, you're my moderator. Oh.
Duh, dito dube. Timo, dako.
siya may maglungag ag dukot na hilaw.
Akin kinday.
Ito ka kamaw na.
Kunin mo bili ng tusan.
Ah! Kung bato, kung bato. Ah. Ah. Ganun ka naman makao ng bato?
Laylay.
Makao na. Dito, may papagluto. Ngiti na, ngiti na. And so now, because I don't tolerate disrespect. Yeah. I don't want them to like that to me. There's a lot of my viewers like that. So
Ano ba niya?
you have a permission to what you call this? Delete their message. No, ang papalakaw. Ang papabi. Di lagi ba?